Hello, my name is Josh. I'm a food stylist here at Taste of Home. Every year during the holiday season, it can get really busy in the kitchen when you're preparing that large meal for friends and family. And one of the things that I really enjoy about this best turkey gravy recipe is not only the spectacular flavor that it has, but also that it can be made in advance, which is a secret weapon when you're making that large meal in the kitchen, and it frees up time and space. This gravy has all of the wonderful flavors that you get from a traditional gravy made with pan drippings, and it starts by roasting turkey wings along with onions. The onions add a special savoriness, and as they break down and caramelize, it adds even more richness to the final gravy. Now, of course, the turkey wings, they will roast and become a beautiful golden brown, which adds even more flavor. Once I've removed my pan from the oven, I'm going to take out the turkey wings and the caramelized onions, and I'm not going to waste anything that's in the bottom of that pan because it is full of flavor. I'm going to add a little bit of chicken stock to that hot pan, scrape it down with a spatula, and get as many of those brown bits off the bottom as possible, because this will make the gravy even richer. Adding carrots, celery, and thyme to the Dutch oven along with my turkey wings and onions are going to help to round out the flavors in this gravy. Simmering these ingredients together for a long time will help to deepen the flavors, and as the liquid reduces down, it's going to concentrate those flavors as well, which will give you a very, very rich gravy, and not to mention it will make your house smell amazing. As I mentioned at the beginning, the beauty of this recipe is that it can be made in advance. So after I strain the solids from my liquids and skim the fat, I can store that broth in the refrigerator for a couple of days or even freeze it, which is a lifesaver on the actual day when I'm preparing all these other dishes for the big meal. Now, one of the secrets to getting a lump-free, perfect gravy is to add your thickener to cold liquid. So in this case, I'm going to add my flour to cold reserved chicken stock, whisk that until it's smooth before I add my concentrated turkey broth. Then I'm going to bring that to a rolling simmer, whisking the whole time until it's silken, smooth, and perfect. This best turkey gravy recipe is my personal go-to. I love it because it can be made in advance, it's easy, and it's delicious and rich. I really enjoy making this for my friends and family, and I hope you will as well.